Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to create your Tinder account so you can start your journey in the dating world. So let's start. First of all, open Tinder that you previously downloaded. Then you will find three options to create your account. One is with Google, the next one is Facebook, and the third option is with your phone or your mobile number. So for the purpose of this video, let's go with Google. You can use any Google account to log in. Enter your phone number and continue. After you enter your phone number and verify the code, you will get a screen like this. Tap on I agree and it's time to set your profile. Keep on doing as it says so that you can set up your profile. For the purpose of this video, we will create a random celebrity profile. So let's do that. The next step is to set up your birthday. It's not necessary to keep your actual birth date, but make sure that you are around the same age range or in the same age category. It's time to choose your gender. You can do it as you want. One important thing is, the more clarity that you provide on your profile, the more the chances that people will find you genuine and try to know you better. So you can decide on that yourself. You can just keep on continuing to set up your profile as you like. At this stage, it's pretty important to set your preferences and what you are into so that the other people can get a good idea of what kind of person you are and what things keep you interested in. So choose it carefully and try to make an interesting profile that will obviously help you. After you are done picking up your preferences or interest, it's time to add pictures to your account so that people can see how you look. So try to add your best pictures and try to add different formats in the pictures, such as some selfies, some portrait shots, and like that. After adding your pictures, turn on your location. So after setting up your profile, now you are ready to go swiping and find your partner. You can always customize your profile to make it look better and more interesting. Well, that's how you create an account on Tinder and set up your dating profile. Thank you for watching the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel.